Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It's Ceasar TG and I'm back again with another video. And today is November 23, 2018. So it's Friday and me and Ate will be going to Cebu. Someone's hungry. Hi Ate. Hey guys, so we're just dito tayo boarding, diba?
Yeah, 5:20.
5:20 and then we'll be flying to Cebu around 6 o'clock and then ayan, it's Eliza G. Hey guys, we just arrived here at Cebu Magellan Airport and we're just gonna get our luggage and we're gonna go directly to the hotel. Hey everyone, so we're gonna start our city tour na and our first stop would be the pyramid. So doon maganda yung shoot kasi yung shooting place and ayan, nag-check na kami dun sa hotel and 2 PM pa yung check-in namin. So nag-start na kami ng tour and ayan siya, nagugutom na po siya ulit at parang puro pagkain yung nakikita sa'yo sa kanila sa KK din, diba? So guys, I'll update you for bye. Hey everyone, so we're here in our first stop. So our first stop would be here at the ID Park. So we are here at the pyramid and we're just gonna shoot here with my ate. Hi! So we just finished shooting our photos here at Pyramid and we're gonna go to our next location, that's Sirao Garden. So yun, medyo matagal pa siya since medyo malayo yung hotel namin. So we're now here at Sirao Garden. So it's the little Amsterdam of the Philippines here in Cebu. So ayun, it's kind of raining and let's shoot muna doon habang medyo mahina pa yung ayan. So yung mga photos, just wait for it sa Instagram ko at Ceasar. That's at IMMACEASAR. So ayun guys, it's kinda fresh and all super ganda. So we're now here at Temple of Leah. So this is a shrine that was built by the Adorne family. So parang it's a little Taj Mahal of the Philippines here in Cebu. And then so this is built for her wife. And then ayun. So this is a shrine, not unlike the Taj Mahal that it's masalim. So ayan guys. So this ayan. Papakita ko yung 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Hi, Ate.
Hello.
Yes, and we're done here at Temple of Leah. It's so pretty.
Ayan. Oo.
So guys, we're now here at the Tavis Temple and so this is a temple and ayan, so bawal mag-vlog doon sa loob. So yun yung mismong temple, so bawal mag-vlog sa loob kasi parang it's parang siguro secret sa kanila. So yun, try na natin sa loob and super ganda, swear. So yan, Tavis Temple. Hey everyone, so we're now up in our last stop. So this is 10,000 Roses here in Cebu. So this is in Cordova area. So full of energy na ako kasi palubating camp kanina. That's why medyo nagtipid ako ngayon kanina, pero ngayon hindi na. So entrance fee here is 20 pesos, and then sa mga iba pala kanina, it's 50 pesos per area, and yung ibang area is walang entrance fee. And here we are, guys, here at 10,000 Roses. There, guys, it's really beautiful. And then there's a cafe there, and then actually it's kinda plastic roses na white, and then well lighted siya kapag kagabi, and it's really nice. That's why bakit na ganun, sorry. Ayan, so ayan, we're now here at 10,000 Roses, Cebu, Cordova. So, I advise you guys to rent your own van like us na parang full day namin siyang ni-rent. And then, ayan, so lahat ng gusto namin puntahan is napuntahan namin nang kaming namimili ng schedule. Hey everyone, so we just arrived here at Cebu Mactan International Resort, and we're just checking in. It's time check, it's already 4:15 p.m. and then we're done with the city tour. And then ayun, guys, so our city tour costs around later I'll update you with the city tour para in detail ko siya masabi sa inyo. And then ayun, guys, so we're now here at Cebu Pacific International Resort, and we're just checking in and we're waiting for our room to be prepared. And I'll keep you updated in a while, and I'll show you a room tour later. So guys, we just checked in, and ito yung area nila. This is the beach area, this is the restaurant area, and then doon meron din parang park doon. Actually, the place is kinda big, and sobrang IG birthday niya and all. So I'll just keep me posted sa IG ko to know and to see more photos of this resort. And then ayun, guys, so I'll get you a room tour in a while. Bye-bye! So hey guys, we're now here at our room. So our room is 122, and let's take a room tour. Guys, so this is our room. Ayan, so sa side na to is yung CR. So yan lang siya. Yan, simple lang. And then may bathtub. Then may shower. And then may cabinet dito. Ayan, parang ocean feels. Ayan, may vault. May may ref and all. Ayan. And then may sleeper sila. And then nilagayan dito ng gamit, luggage namin. Then ito yung mismong room, then aircon, fan. Tapos ito yung ocean view namin. Actually parang wala pa siyang kwenta ngayon. Actually guys, as you can see, parang wala pa siyang ganong ganap. Puro lumot lang siya as of now. So kasi dito ay nag-low tide daw siya kapag kagabi. That's why medyo wala siyang silbi kapag kahapon. So hindi siya ocean view, lumot view siya.